Pinecone is the leading vector database. We can support use cases from the smallest startup to the largest enterprises. So one of the main reasons that we're working with AWS is because, frankly, that's what most of our customers are asking for. Our biggest customers are all AWS clients and really wanted us to support AWS. Being able to work with the cloud provider that can help us scale and meet the needs of our largest customers is critical. And that's what AWS helps us provide. The SaaS Factory team has been incredibly helpful as we built Pinecone serverless. Building Pinecone serverless was a huge undertaking, and SaaS Factory was able to pull in experts from all across AWS with the technical knowledge and understanding of the AWS infrastructure to really help us design our system in the right way. We're really excited to see all of the developments in the generative AI space that AWS is working on. One of the most important use cases for Pinecone is helping reduce hallucinations for generative AI applications that use large language models. So we're very excited to work with AWS Bedrock and teams like SageMaker to bring vector databases to the market. Our partnership with AWS has been incredibly important to Pinecone in a number of ways. Everything from on the purely technical side to ensuring that our solution can scale to meet the demands of our largest customers, to the go-to-market side as well, where we're collaborating closely with the marketing and the sales teams across AWS. And that's been incredibly helpful as we jointly go after large opportunities.